Hey everyone, I'm Shashank and today we are tackling a crucial topic that could affect your family's financial future. Term insurance claim rejections. Every year, thousands of families face claim rejections that could have been avoided. Let's make sure that you're not one of them. Before we delve into it, I'd like to tell you about Ditto. We're an insurance advisory platform and we help you guys not just purchase a policy but also understand and compare them. Our services are spam-free and free of cost as well. So book a free consultation with the link in the description. Let's now get into 9 critical reasons why your term insurance claim could get rejected. 1. The truth about non-disclosure. Imagine this. Rajesh, a 35-year-old IT professional, bought a 1 crore term insurance policy. He was a casual smoker but marked no in the tobacco consumption section to get lower premiums. 2 years later, when his family filed a claim after his tragic death from a heart attack, the insurance company's investigation revealed his smoking habit through medical records. Here is what Rajesh should have done. Being honest about his smoking habits, paid slightly higher premium, and secured his family's future. Remember, it's better to pay a higher premium than risk your entire claim being rejected. Second, the danger of policy lapse. Now, take the case of Priya, a working mother who always paid her premiums on time. But during a hectic job change, she missed her premium payment. Despite the reminder SMS, she thought, I'll pay next month. Sadly, she met with an accident during this period. Now, premium date was March 1st, grace period that is 30 days, policy lapse date was April 1st, and incident date was April 15th. Well, we advocate smart premium management. So set up autopay with your bank, keep an emergency fund for premiums, and mark premium dates in your calendar if you have to, so that you never lose the benefits of your policy. Third, understanding policy timing. Now let's talk about Amit's case. He had a 25-year term policy that expired when he turned 60. Now at 61, he suffered a fatal heart attack. Despite paying premiums faithfully for 25 years, his family received nothing because the policy had expired. So, pro tip, choose your policy term wisely. Consider your retirement age, children's education completion, and loan repayment timelines. Fourth, suicide under 12 months of policy purchase. Now, all the life insurance policies generally have a 1-year waiting period where death by suicide is not covered. That means if a person opts for term insurance and commits suicide within 1 year, then the claim will not be paid out. But after 12 months, these deaths are covered as well. Fifth, adventure sports reality check. Now consider the case of Vikram, an occasional adventure enthusiast. He loved paragliding but never mentioned it in his policy application. During his third paragliding trip, a tragic accident occurred and his claim was rejected because adventure sports weren't covered in the basic policy. While regular gym, regular sports and swimming is covered, extreme sports like base jumping, paragliding, deep sea diving and racing is not covered. So the solution? Get additional coverage for adventure sports or check if your policy covers them. Sixth, legal complications. Now, this is an interesting case. A policyholder was involved in a road accident while driving under the influence of alcohol. Despite having a valid policy, the claim was rejected because the death occurred during an illegal activity, which is drunken driving. So, if someone is engaged in mafia, gang, or insurance fraud, then they can bid their claims goodbye. Always remember, insurance protects against uncertainties, not illegal activities. Seventh, documentation disasters. Now, here is what happened to Kumar family. Mr. Kumar had named his wife as nominee, but after their divorce, he never updated the nomination. So, after his death, both his current partner and ex-wife claimed the insurance money and leading to a legal battle and delayed claim settlement. Now, some must-have documents are death certificate, policy documents, ID proofs, and medical records. Additional documents like police FIR, if applicable, hospital records, and postmortem report can also come in handy. Remember, it's always better to have all the documents, even the ones you think that won't be necessary. Eighth, international travel coverage. Take the case of Suresh, who traveled to a conflict zone for work without informing his insurer. Now, his family's claim was rejected because the death occurred in an excluded country. It's worthy to note that standard countries like USA, Germany, and UK will be covered. But always check with your insurer and be sure to inform them about your travel destination coverage, your duration of stay, and nature of visit as well. So, avoid traveling to these restricted countries, or even if you have to, better to clear it with your insurer in prior. Ninth point. This is the 3-year protection rule. Now listen to this case. Meet Anita, whose husband started smoking after 4 years of getting the policy. When he passed away, in the 5th year, despite the insurance company discovering his smoking habit, they couldn't reject the claim thanks to Section 45. Now, Section 45 states that a life insurance policy shall not be called into question on any grounds after it completes 3 years from the date of insurance policy, the date of commencement of the risk, the date of revival of the policy, or the date adding to a rider to the policy, whichever of them is later. These conditions are subject to amendment from time to time. However, in case of clear fraud, the life insurance policy may be called in question even after 3 years from any of the above mentioned events also, whichever of them is later. So you do know that you're well protected thanks to the special section. Now, let's wrap this up with 3 golden rules. 1. Be completely honest when applying for insurance. 2nd, keep your policy active by paying premiums on time. 3rd, regularly review and update your policy and beneficiary information. And bonus point, understand all terms and conditions and exclusions in your policy. That's it, folks. This brings us to the end of the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If you'd like to get in touch with our advisors, then you can find the link in the description. Happy insurance hunting.